Hello, my crafty friends. I'm here to launch another new kit that I just finished. I just listed it in Etsy, and it is called Forget Me Not. It's a digital kit that has 11 journal pages and 8 pages of ephemera, so a total of 19 pages. And I love the way it turned out. Periwinkle, forget-me-nots are my favorite. Periwinkle is my favorite color, and forget-me-not is my favorite flower. So I was thrilled to be able to make this kit. I think it turned out really pretty. It printed really nicely, and I will just give you a quick flip through for the purpose of my Etsy listing. So here are the journal pages. Very spring-like, floral, lots of birds. I used lots of French ephemera, lots of periwinkles, of course. Such a pretty, dainty little flower. Beautiful bird and eggs. Just makes you feel like you want spring to happen. We are ready for spring. Here's another pretty collage page. And another one. I included butterflies, a nest with eggs, beautiful birds. I love this blue thistle. Great big pop of blue. It's going to look lovely in a journal. And then these are the back pages. So it's this page with lines. This page with lace. We all love lace. Here's just a lightly embellished page that you can use in the back. You can use it for collaging, for journaling pages. It would look pretty on the back. You can still use it to journal on. It's light enough. And then another back page with some more lace. So those are the journal pages. And now I'll show you the ephemera pages. Again, there are 8 ephemera pages. Here are large tags. So cute, so colorful, cheerful. Here are smaller tags. I think these came out so beautiful. There are some journaling cards. For larger journaling cards, but you can always print 2 to a page and make them smaller. For more larger journaling cards. Here are pockets, 2 divoted pockets, and then 4 corner pockets. I did a Tim Holtz style 4 slitted pocket, and there's 2 of them. And it's really easy to put together, and I will be doing a video that shows you how I use this without a die. I do have a die, but I will show you how to use this without a die cut. And then lots of fussy cuts. This page has some smaller journaling cards, tickets, some banners, and then 2 small, like coin-sized pockets. And then 2 beautiful belly bands. Love the way this turned out. So yep, this is another journal in the making for me. I can't wait. I'll be doing videos of journal making with this kit, and also the Pretty French Cottage kit that I'm working on. So if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell so that you will be notified of all upcoming videos, because I am planning on doing quite a few coming up. So thank you so much for allowing me to do this flip through for my Etsy listing. I will place a link in the description box below so that you can go check it out. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Stay safe and all that good stuff until the next video. Bye-bye, friends.